We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I am going to show you how to clean your scanner glass, and I'm working with a Canon image class MF445dw. So first thing first, lift your top hatch. And then you want to get your favorite glass cleaner in a lint-free cloth. And then spray your cloth. Never spray directly onto the printer because you don't want to cause any other issues. And gently clean your glass. Sometimes you do see pen marks, even white out on the glass. If you're still seeing it after cleaning it the first time, go ahead and clean it another time. If you are seeing more defects when you are using this part, your feeder, then you want to focus more on the little strip of glass that's right here. Then if you're having more issues when you're using the flatbed right here, focus on the bigger piece of glass. If you guys are still seeing defects after cleaning your scanner glass, go ahead and give us a call. It might be time to put your printer in for a service. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.